A bumper is a mechanical device consisting of bars at either end of a vehicle to absorb shock and prevent serious damage. It is a part of a car with hinges or is built in and usually placed at the front or rear. Bumpers are designed to provide you and your vehicle with collision protection in the event you're in an accident. However, a partially detached or otherwise damaged bumper may not be capable of protecting you, your passengers, and pedestrians. Also, your bumper may become further detached while you're driving down the road, which can lead to all sorts of safety hazards. Short distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired ASAP. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.